All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This is lesson 10 of our beginner basic forex trading course. Okay, and in this lesson, I'm going to be talking about the different types of trading strategies. Okay, I'll talk about position trading, I'll talk about swing trading, I'll also talk about day trading. Okay, all right, so let's begin with position trading. Okay, so position trading, you're basically holding your trades for a longer period of time. Okay, and this usually happens on the 4-hour time frame and above. Okay, let's say the weekly, the monthly, the daily. Okay, those are big time frames. Okay, so it's the best option for those people with full-time jobs. Okay, all right, so let me use an example to explain what I've just talked about. Okay, but before, let me talk before I explain the example, I want to share with you something called fractal. Okay, let me first talk about a concept called fractal. Okay, then I also talk about a trend. Okay, then I'll talk about a swing high and swing low. Okay, so fractal means if they say price is fractal, okay, what that means is whatever happens on a higher time frame will happen on the lower time frame. Okay, that's what fractal means. Okay, then the trend, in trading we have two different types of trends. Okay, we can either have an uptrend or a downtrend. Okay, so in this case, this will be a downtrend because it's going down. Okay, as you can see, it's going down. All right, then we also have what we call a swing high and a swing low. Okay, so this right here will be our swing low. Okay, and this will be our swing high. Okay, all right, so like I said, this right here, okay, is an example of position trading, and we're watching this. Let's say we're watching this chart on a higher time frame. Let's say this was a daily or a 4-hour time frame. Okay, so let's say your trend starts from this point right here. Okay, so price will go down, okay, because it's a downtrend, so it will be making swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, okay, swing high, swing low, swing high, then it pulls back. Okay, so let's say according to your strategy, okay, at this point, okay, your strategy tells you that you're supposed to buy. Okay, so if you buy from this point, okay, you will hold this buy, okay, until it hits the beginning or the start of the trend. Okay, so this will be your exit. Okay, so you will hold this trade for all the way from here to the point where it hits your the start of your trend. All right, so like I said, so this will be happening on a higher time frame. So let's say this chart, you're watching this chart on your 4-hour time frame or your daily time frame. Okay, so this move right here, this price movement right here, okay, up to this point, okay, this price movement, this is what I mean. Okay, all this, okay, could take a long period of time. This right here could even could take, let's say, 3 weeks, a month and a half, okay, just to form. All right, so the same thing. So if you hold your trade from here all the way from here to here, it will take a longer time. Okay, it might take 3 weeks, 2 months, okay, depending. All right, so that's why I say this is for people with it would be the best option for people with full-time jobs. Okay, because you don't have to be seated on your laptop or your phone. Okay, just take one trade and then hold it until it hits the start of the trend. All right, so let's move on to the next type of trading. So we have what we call swing trading. Okay, and swing trading usually happens between the 4-hour and the 1-hour time frame. Okay, and this is also for people with full-time jobs, okay, but want more action. Okay, as you can see right here, it can happen on the 1 hour. Okay, that means it's it's a lower time frame compared to the position trading. Okay, all right, so let's use this example right here. Okay, so let's say this was the start of your downtrend. Okay, so price is going down, making swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, then price pushes up. Okay, then pushes down. Okay, then according, let's say, to your strategy, you buy from here. Okay, so unlike position trading, okay, you will execute your trade and hold it until it hits the next swing high. Okay, so you won't hold your trade um, up to the beginning of the trend. Okay, you just hold your trade until it hits the next swing. Okay, in this case it will be a swing high. Okay, all right, so that's the only difference. Okay, we are not when you swing trading, you're just holding your trade and to a point where it hits you, either your swing high or your swing low. All right, so that's the difference between swing trading and position trading. Okay, all right, so let's talk about the last one, which is day trading. Okay, so day trading, this happens below the 1 hour time frame. Okay, and as for those people who trade for a living, okay, so those people, let's say, who wake up every day looking for setups or looking for opportunities to trade. Okay, day trading would be the best option for you. Okay, and what day trading is similar to swing trading. Okay, the only difference is you'll be watching your charts on a lower time frame. Like I say, price is fractal. Okay, if you go down, let's say, to the 15 minutes, okay, 15-minute time frame, okay, you will be able to also see these price movements. Okay, so let's say your trend started from up here. Okay, so it's making swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. Okay, then it pulls back. Okay, then at this point, let's say, according to your strategy, you buy. Okay, so you will hold your buy until it hits the next swing high. Okay, all right, so the only difference, like I said, this will be happening on a lower time frame compared to the swing trading. Okay, all right, so let me do a recap. Okay, so we talked about position trading, and we said this is for people who have full-time jobs. Okay, and we also said it happens on a higher time frame. Okay, like the 4 hour and above. Okay, and then you will be holding your trade for you hold your trade until it hits the beginning of or the start of the trend. Okay, we talked about swing trading. Okay, and we say the only difference between swing trading and position trading. Okay, swing trading happens on a lower time frame compared to position trading. Okay, and you just hold your trade until it hits the next swing high or swing low. Okay, we also talked about when we were talking about swing trading, we said this could also be for those people with full-time jobs but want more action. Okay, all right, the next we talked about day trading. Okay, and the difference between day trading and swing trading, we said again, we say that they're similar, but the only difference is day trading will be happening on a lower time frame compared to swing trading, because also in day trading you might target the next swing high or swing low, but on a lower time frame compared to swing trading. Okay, and we say this is for people that the people that look for trades every day, or people that trade every day. All right, so I've come to the end of this video. I'll see you in another one. Bye.